Hey guys, thought I'd cleaning up some cons from last week when I was out during rained all day, messy day. Don't think I got too much, but I think we're all getting cabin fever, so I know a little gold's better than none. So here we are in the kitchen. I've got about, let's say half a gallon of cons here. And we're going to pan them down. I just did the first with about 2 large tablespoons at a time. Here's the first. We got about 4 specks there. So keep going, do a couple others. It'll be probably a short video. So watching TV in the kitchen, panning some gold, good times. Okay, here we go. I like using my Garrett pan for cleaning cons. It's great for that. I use my large bottom GPA pan out in the field. Biggest pan as you can handle. The bigger the bottom, the better when you're out in the field. But this is my first pan. Really like this pan, but again, it's great for cons. So here we go. Yeah. Ready? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. I like the pulling method. I feel like I have more control over it. There's not a lot of black sand in this material. I always find that when you get high in the valleys, in the small ditches, you find gold. There's not a ton of black sand. So this pan's really easy as far as cons from the field. Sorry if I'm getting off here. I'm trying to hold the camera with the left hand, panning with the right. Take it right to the edge and just pull it off. Alright, here we see. What do we got? Little piece there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I don't tap. Tapping's overrated. I'll go through this. My snuffer bottle. I got 4 bigger pieces there. There's a couple more. Come down again. But just let me. Alright, not bad. Okay. Get back to you. Yeah, there's one of the. I got 2, at least that I could see out in the field. And I look at every pan when I'm panning all day. That's one of the 2 pieces I spotted out in the field. That's probably about a minus 30. It's a nice shiny little piece. So, find that other one. Show it to you. There's a pretty nice pan getting down towards the bottom now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 12 pieces in there. Nice. Okay. So, just gonna wash this very gentle. Get it up there. You can see every piece. So I'm watching real close. I don't like to tap. I'm just gonna real gentle bring the water up. Take that black sand off. And I'll get it in the sucker tube. And I'll go through this one more time. And there you go, clean gold. Okay, this is the last pan. This is just washed the bucket out in here. I'm still missing that second OK piece. Wait a second, let me zoom out here a little. There we go. So it's better be in here. It was about, should be the bigger one, about, I think about a 20 mesh piece or so. What's on the TV? Hey, it's Rachel. All right. Oh, getting down there. Come on. I usually run, if I had more material and I was working outside, I'd run this through a 14 mesh sieve. So you can see there's some half-inch rock sitting in here. That doesn't really bother me. Alright, let's see what's in here. Ready? I see some buckshot. Okay. Oh, there it is. Yep, that was the best piece there. I only got two nice pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about a dozen pieces here. Take a look. The screen looks cloudy for some reason. So that was an okay piece. Alright, I'll get this posted. Cheer up, everybody.